So our next topic is going to be subsets. So இங்க என்ன definition கொடுத்திருக்கு? Set A is said to be a subset of B if every element of A is also an element of B. இப்போ இந்த லைனை புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு first let us learn the symbol. இப்போ இந்த symbol வந்து A is a subset of B. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what it means. For example, I have A equals 1, 2, 3. இப்படி இருக்கு. Okay, and I also have B equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see that A is a subset of B. Subset oda symbol வந்து நம்ம இப்படி தான் போடுவோம். It is going to be a long C, elongated C. Okay, so this is going to be a subset. Subset na என்ன அர்த்தம்? The elements, all the elements in A are going to be in B. But all the elements in B A ல இருக்கணுங்கிறது அவசியம் கிடையாது. We are not talking about B is a subset of A. இது கிடையாது. Okay, we are talking about A is a subset of B, which means all the elements which are in A are going to be in B. Okay, for example, I'll give you another example. A equals A, C, D, E, and B is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. இது வரைக்கும் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. I see that A is going to be in B, C is going to be in B, D is going to be in B, and E is also going to be in B. So I see that A is a subset of B. So இங்க இன்னொரு definition என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? We read the above statement as A is a subset of B if and only if A belongs to, the small a belongs to A and A belongs to B. புரியுதா? இந்த element, இந்த particular element A belongs to A and A belongs to B also, which means A is a subset of B. Okay, clear? So let us learn some definition. We read the above statement as A is a subset of B if A is an element of A implies that A is also an element of B. A ல ஒரு element இருக்குன்னா அது definitely B லியும் இருக்கும். அப்பதான் A is a subset of B. B லேந்து ஒரு part நம்ம பிரிச்சு எடுக்கிறோம். So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல இருந்து I'll take the elements 1, 3, 5 and 6. So I have C equals 1, 3, 5, 6. I have taken the elements from B. You see, I have taken 1 from here, 3 from here, 5 from here and 6 from here. I have taken the elements from B, which means C is a subset of B. புரிஞ்சுதா? C is a subset of B because we have taken the elements from B. B ல இருக்கிற elements C ல இருக்கும். C ல இருக்கிற elements கண்டிப்பா B ல இருக்கும். Okay? So you also have to know another symbol. So if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, if and only if A is equal to B. இப்போ இவ்வளவு நேரம் நம்ம equal sets பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தோமா? So I see that A equals 1, 2, 3 and B equals 3, 2, 1. இப்படி இருக்குன்னா A is equal to B, which means A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. Okay, ரெண்டுமே ஒன்னுக்கு ஒன்னோட சப்செட்டா இருந்ததுன்னா it means they are equal and we call this symbol to be if and only if. So we say that A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A if and only if A is equal to B. Okay, so that is what is given in your definition. A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A if and only if A is equal to B. So this particular definition is very, very important. So this is called subsets. அப்படின்னா என்ன? செட்லேருந்து ஒரு subdivision மாதிரி நம்ம பிரிக்கிறோம் இல்லையா? இப்போ first questionல first subsection, second subsection அப்படி பிரிக்கிறோமா? So first questionல you are splitting subsections. அந்த மாதிரி setsல you are splitting subsets. Okay? Now let us solve an example. So I have considered the set, null set இருக்கு. இது ஒரு set. Okay, null set இருக்கு. Then A equals 1, 3, 1, 5, 9, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So A, B, C கொடுத்திருக்கு. Insert the symbol is a subset or is not a subset. Okay, so this is going to be is a subset and this is going to be is not a subset. Okay, so இப்போ நம்ம ஒன்னொன்னா எழுத போறோம். First subsection என்ன? Null set B. B ல வந்து null set இருக்கா? Is there B in the null set? Yes, every subset has null set. So இப்போ ஒரு 1 இருக்கு அப்படின்னா what are the subsets of 1? It is going to be null set and 1. Okay, if you have the elements 1, 2 and 3, you will have the elements null set 1, 2 and 3. So these are all going to be the elements of 1, 2, 3. So null set is a subset, is an element in every set. Okay, null set na enna? Empty set. So zero element ஒரு setல இருக்கும். Okay, so you have 1, 2 and 3, which means null set is also a part of the set. Null set na enna? ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல அதுல. So ஒண்ணுமே இல்லங்கிறதுமே is also a part of the set. So null set is a subset of B. Okay, B ல என்னென்ன இருக்கு? I have B has the elements 1, 5 and 9. So what are all the elements of B? It is going to be 5, 1, 5 and 9. So these are all going to be the elements. So you have to write it like this inside curly brackets. Okay. Let me write that for you. So what are all the elements? 5, 1, 5 and 9. So 5 is a subset. Okay. So 5 is a subset of B. Second subsection, I have A, B. A kum B kum என்ன relation இருக்கு? I have 1 here and 1 here. I have 3 here, but I do not have any 3 in B. கரெக்டா? B லியும் 3 இருக்கணும். அப்பதான் A is a part of B. B லேந்து A வந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னு அப்பதான் நம்மளால சொல்ல முடியும். So A is not a subset of B. All the elements in A should be in B. A ல இருக்கிற elements B ல இல்லனா it is not a subset. Okay? All elements in A should be in B. A is a part of B. அப்படி இருந்தா மட்டும்தான் subset. Okay? Third subsection, A and C. A க்கும் C க்கும் என்ன relation இருக்கு? I see that A has 1 and C has 1. A has 3 and C has 3. அப்ப C லேந்து தான் A வந்திருக்கு. Okay? The elements in A are definitely present in C. So A is a subset of C. Okay? Fourth subsection, B and C. So B and C க்கு என்ன relation இருக்கு? I see that I have 1, 1, 5, 5, 9, 9. So yes, B என்னது? C லேந்து எடுத்திருக்கு. B is a set which is taken from C, which means B is a subset of C. All the elements in B are present in C. All elements in B are present in C. Okay, so B is a part of C. Okay, adnala they are subsets. Okay, always remember null set is a part of any set. Example 10. A equals AEIOU and B equals ABCD. Is A a subset of B? A a subset of B, yeah. A, B. A is not a subset of B. Why? Because I have A here, where EIOU எதுவுமே இல்லை. If A is a subset of B, A is a not a part of B. A is not a part of B na A is not a subset of B. B லேந்து A வந்திருக்கா? இல்லை. B ல இருக்கிற ஒரு எலிமெண்ட் மட்டும்தான் A ல இருக்கு. You do not have B, C, D and AEIOU ல EIOU இல்லவே இல்லை B ல. So it is not equal. They are asking if B is a subset of A. B is also not a subset of A. Correct? Because the elements B is not a part of A. B is not a part of A. இப்போ B is equal to EIO அப்படின்னா அது A லேந்து எடுத்திருக்கு. EIO. A லேந்து we have taken some elements for B, which means B is a subset of A. But in this case, it is not. Okay? A is not a subset of B and B is also not a subset of A. You have to understand. Okay? All the elements in A should be in B. All elements in A, they have asked why. So we'll write the reason. All elements in A should be in B for A to be a subset of B. அதே மாதிரி all elements in B should be in A for B to be a subset of A. Correct? இந்த ரெண்டுமே இல்லைங்க. So it is not a subset. Okay? Next example. Let A, B, C be 3 sets. A belongs to B ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay, so A belongs to B னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? The element in A is going to belong to B. So let me write 3 sets for you. So A is going to be the number 1. This is given in your example book question தான். நான் அதை வச்சே சொல்லி தரேன். So A is equal to 1. Okay, the element 1. If A belongs to B, I'm going to have B is a set of all elements 1. A belongs to B. இப்போ 1 belongs to B னா எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? We'll have 1, 2, 3. So which means 1 is an element in B. So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல A belongs to B னா what is my A? 1 inside curly brackets is an element which belongs to B. Okay? Please pay attention. A equal to 1. 1 வந்து belongs to A. 1 belongs to A. But in this case, when A belongs to B means 1 belongs to B. Inside curly brackets. Okay, so A belongs to B. இன்னும் ரெண்டு நம்பர் எடுத்துக்கலாம். So I have 1, 2 and 3 and B is a subset of C. Okay, so I'll take only 2 numbers. Okay, 1, 2 எடுத்துட்டேன் and C B is a subset of C. அப்ப C லேந்து நம்ம எடுத்துக்கணும். So C should also have 1, 2, அப்புறம் இன்னும் 2 நம்பர் எடுத்துக்கலாம். So they have given A belongs to B, which is true here. So A belongs to B. இந்த இடத்துல A belongs to B. Then they have also given B is a subset of C, which means இங்க B ல 1 இருக்கு, இங்கயும் 1 இருக்கு. இங்க 2 இருக்கு, இங்க 2 இருக்கு. So B வந்து is a part of C. Okay, you understood this? B is a subset of C. Is it true that A is a subset of C? Is this true? அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So is a part of C? A is a part of C, yeah? Is A a part of C? No, it is not a part of C. Why? C oda element enna? The 1 belongs to C. 1 belongs to A. These two are not equal. 1 is not equal to 1. 1 inside the curly bracket is not equal to simply 1. Correct? The element 1 is in A. In the இடத்துல C ல என்ன இருக்கு? C has element which is inside the curly bracket. So A is not a part of C. A is not a part of C. So A is not a subset of C. A subset of C na A எப்படி இருக்கணும்? A has to be like this. So இப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? C ல என்ன element இருக்கு? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1 is a subset of A and 1, sorry, not a subset, 1 belongs to A and 1 inside curly bracket belongs to C. So these two are equal. இது ரெண்டும் equal. A வந்து இந்த மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா you can equate both. But A is simply the element 1 inside the curly brackets. So you cannot equate them. So A is not a subset of C. புரிஞ்சுதா? It is very very simple. Just understand the term. Subset na enna, belongs to na enna, belongs to na enna, the element has to be inside the set. Subset na enna, and the subset has to be part of the main set. Main set லேந்து derive பண்ணிருக்கணும்.